Okay, so this is going over one of the sine costant questions from homework 13.3 day 2. I forget which number it is, sorry. But I think I would just draw a picture. So Poole state that the ladder should be placed at an angle of 75 degrees relative to the ground level. Okay, so here's like the ground level, and we're going to place a ladder down into the pool, I'm assuming, and that's 75 degrees right there. Um, Involving tan to give the distance in feet that the bottom of the ladder should be placed away from the bottom edge of the pool in order to comply with the directions. Okay, so here's the top of the pool, here's the bottom. Okay, we want to sort of know like here's the side of the pool, and we want to know how far out we are. So you got to imagine this is like the water in the pool. Here, I can draw it in blue or something. There's the water or whatever. Here's our ladder coming down, right? And then we're going to be, this is the side of the pool, and we want to know how far out it is there. Okay, so that angle is 75, but it also means that either this angle up here is 15, or you could use this one being 75 here, either way. All right. Anyways, we want to find then okay. I just realized that we must be missing a piece of information here. So sorry, this question has a typo. I'm guessing that we need to know there's a 6 somewhere in here, either that the ladder is 6 feet or like this height is 6 feet, because the way we is now we don't have enough information to do the question. So sorry, this one is a typo. So Bella, I guess I'm going to send you this video, but then I'm just going to delete the question from the assignment because they must have to have like a 6 somewhere in there. So anyway, sorry about the confusion on this one, but right now it's an unanswerable question. So that's it. Have a good day.